Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and this is tutorial number 101 for the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0, the Corner Detect Angle Edit box. So you're going to find this area in this box right here in the Place and Fill tab of the Wizard, and you'll see a Corner Detect Angle. You're going to have a little check box inside that you can check it on or off, and then a degree of angle that you want it to find for corner detects. So let me show you how this works real quick. I have just a regular box here that has 90-degree angles. So if I have my angle check set to above 90 degrees and it checked off, that means when stones are added to this box right here, I know it's going to see these angles and make sure that the stones are placed perfectly. So I'll go ahead and duplicate this so we can see both versions, and I'm going to hit a path fill, and you can see those corners are perfect. Now if this were down to 85 degrees and I did a path fill, okay, still hit it perfect there because of just the way that the stones were placed out. So if I used a different size stone and did a path fill, now you can see those aren't hitting it as perfect. So just depending, sometimes it will hit corners perfect just depending on the size of the square that you're using. So if I went back to my SS10 stones and I did a path fill here, see how it's not hitting it perfect? But if I go back and I change that to, let's say, 100 to make sure it's going to cover all of those corners and hit a path fill, now it hits all of those perfect. Same thing on this M. They're all 90-degree corners except for this one right here. So when I hit a path fill, it hits all of those 90-degree or less corners perfect. This one right here didn't see it perfectly, but it still worked out okay. If I jumped this up to, let's say, 180 and got crazy and did a path fill, now it saw that corner perfect and it hit it perfect to be able to make sure that there isn't any editing on any of the corners of that M. And then the same thing right here. Let's just dumb it down to 60 degrees and do a path fill. And then let's jump it up to a 140 degrees and do a path fill, and let's look at the difference here. We got overlaps there, and we got a little bit of misspacing there, where this one, everything is perfect, okay? So that should explain the Corner Detect Angle Edit button in the box in the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0 for you. But if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. The number is 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and you guys all have a great day.